Good day everyone. For today, I'm going to discuss to you the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 RA 10175. RA 10175 approval date September 12, 2012. Approved by President Benigno Aquino III. Purpose: address illegal issues related to online interaction in the internet in the Philippines. Cybercrimes offense: illegal access, illegal interception, data interference, system interference, misuse of devices, cyber squatting, computer-related fraud, computer-related identity theft, cybersex, child pornography, unsolicited commercial communication, and libel. Next, illegal access. The access to the whole or any part of a computer system without right. Illegal interception. The interception made by technical means without right of any non-public transmission of computer data to, from, or within a computer system, including electromagnetic emission from a computer system carrying such computer data. Data interference: the intentional or reckless alteration, damaging, deletion, or deterioration of computer data, electronic document, or electronic data message without right, including the introduction or transmission of viruses. System interference: the international alteration or reckless hindering or interference with the functioning of a computer or computer network by inputting, transmitting, damaging, deleting, deterioration, altering, or suppressing computer data or program. Electronic document or electronic data message without right or authority, including introduction or transmission of viruses. Misuse of devices: the use, production, sale, procurement, importation, distribution, or otherwise making available without right. A device including a computer program designed or adapted primarily for the purpose of committing any of the offense under this act. Cyber squatting: the acquisition of domain name over the internet in bad faith to profit, mislead, destroy reputation, and deprive other from registering the same if such a domain name is similar, identical, or confusingly similar to an existing trademark registered with the appropriate government agencies in the time of domain name registration. Computer-related fraud: the unauthorized input, alteration, or the deletion of computer data or program or interference in the functioning of a computer system, causing damage thereby with a fraudulent intent, provided that if no damage has yet been caused, the penalty impossible shall be 1 degree lower. Computer-related identity theft: the intentional acquisition, use, misuse, transfer, possession, alteration, or deletion of identifying information belonging to other, whether natural or juridical, without right, provided that if no damage has yet been caused, the penalty impossible shall be 1 degree lower. Cybersex: the willful engagement, maintenance, control, or operation directly or indirectly of any lascivious exhibition of sexual organs or sexual activity with the aid of a computer system for favor or consideration. Child pornography: the unlawful or prohibited acts defined and punishable by Republic Act Number 9775 or the Anti-Child Pornography Act of 2009, committed through a computer system, provided that the penalty to be imposed shall be 1 degree higher than that provided for in Public Act of 9775. Unsolicited commercial communication, the transmission of commercial electronic communication with the use of a computer system which seeks to advertise, sell, or offer to sell products and services are prohibited unless there are prior affirmative consent from recipient. Libel. The unlawful prohibited acts of libel as defined in Article 355 of Revised Penal Code as amended, committed through a computer system or any other similar means which may be devised in the future. Penalties. Any person found guilty of any of the punishable acts enumerated in Section 4 and 4B of this Act shall be punished with imprisonment of prison mayor or a fine of at least 200,000 pesos up to maximum amount commensurate to damage incurred or both. Another penalties. Any person found guilty of any of the punishable act enumerated in Section 4 of this Act shall be punished with the penalties as enumerated in Public Act number 9775 or the Anti-Child Pornography Act of 2009, provided that the penalty to be imposed shall be 1 degree higher than the provided for in Public Act number 9775. It committed through a computer system. In our digital age, understanding and preventing cybercrime is not just a responsibility but a necessity. Together, let's foster a safer online environment for everyone. As we navigate this evolving landscape, remember, awareness is our first line of defense.